Every time the tiny kitten named Momo sneezed, the sky above her house changed in the most amazing way. One sneeze brought a bright splash of sparkling green that danced with the wind. Another sneeze made a wiggly stripe of purple twist around the clouds like a ribbon. Momo's sneezes were so gentle, but they painted the sky with colors no one had ever seen before. Her family watched in awe, wondering what color would come next. Sometimes, Momo giggled so hard at the swirling colors that she sneezed again, making the sky even more magical.